Mitosis and meiosis are two similar stages in the cell cycle, but there are two huge differences. In mitosis, it starts off with one cell and ends with two, but in meiosis, it starts with one cell, goes to two cells, and ends with four cells.
Mitosis and meiosis have similar substages in the cell cycle in which they both go through, known as PMET: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, and also cytokinesis.
This recording shows the stages that meiosis goes through. There are stages such as prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
In this video, this shows the recording of the cell in the left corner of the actual cell that went through the process of mitosis.
Explain how mitosis works. In prophase, the DNA material shrinks and the nuclear membrane is destroyed.
An easy way to remember the actions that happen during this time period in the cycle is metaphase. M means middle, so the chromosomes from the cell align in the middle of the cell.
In anaphase, the chromatids are pulled in by spindle fibers, which are kind of like fishing rods. They pull in the chromatids to the poles of the cell. Like that.
In telophase, the chromatids arrive at the poles of the cell and relax.
Cytokinesis, the cell is pinched by the cell membrane in the middle and is pulled apart, making furrows, and at a point to where the cell can no longer be stretched anymore, it's split apart into the regular cell and the daughter cell.
It only occurs in sex cells, especially in sperm and egg. When those two combine, they form an embryotic cell.
In interphase, the cell starts with 96 chromosomes in the single cell. Then, just like mitosis, it goes through PMET.
The only thing that is different is that in metaphase, the chromosomes exchange genetic information. In meiosis too, the two cells start with 46 chromosomes, and when they go through the steps above, they split into 4 haploid cells with 23 chromosomes.
This is very important to sexual reproduction because, of course, it involves the sex cells sharing genetic information to create the new cell or the big one.
Mitosis is important because it takes one cell and splits it into two, which is essential for life. This cell reproduces asexually in the process that we stated earlier.
In meiosis, the chromosomes combine to share genetic information. This way, they are always varied and they have different combinations in every single cell.